Hi there. So if you are someone who likes to play around with electronics or even a professional, you must be knowing that a digital multimeter is a must-have tool for everyone. So the problem is we don't know how much should we invest because there are plenty of multimeters for different ranges. So I have narrowed the search for the budget multimeter, and in this video I'm going to show you this Mastech MAS830L, its review and demonstration of each basic functionalities. And this multimeter is a very budget friendly, yet it has got all the functionalities that you need. So let's get right into the video. So the multimeter comes in a packaging like this. You can see all the specifications are written in the back side of the packaging. It can measure up to 600 volt DC and 600 volt AC, and DC current up to 10 amps, and resistance up to 2 mega ohm. And the model is MAS830L. If you want to buy this one, I have provided the link in the description. Please go through that link because it will help our channel. And to be honest, I have already unboxed it, so let me just quickly open the box. And at the very top there's a calibration certificate from Mastech which says this instrument is ready to use and it has been calibrated rightly. So let me just put it aside, and there's a user manual all in English, so that's good. And if you face any kind of trouble, you can refer to this. And here comes the packaging within which the multimeter is, and this is the probe, I guess. So they have provided two probes, obviously, the red one and the black one, and the tip of the probes are really good, and the probe wire quality is also very good. And for a matter of fact, you can open this in case you need to go deeper to check the measurement. So you can close this like this. So the probes are really good. So let me just put it aside for now. And here comes the multimeter. You can see it is quite handy. The size is really good. It can fit right into your palm, and you can even fit into your pocket, I guess. And this green one is actually casing, and the actual multimeter is this, and you can fit it like this. So the casing is really good, and the build quality is also very nice. And here's a stand that will help you to keep it like this, and you can look at the readings more conveniently on the table. So now let me close this and walk you through the functionalities. As you can see, the rotary is set at off. There's a light button and there's a hold button. So what the hold button does is it holds the value. So suppose you have taken some reading and you don't want that readings to go away, so press the hold button. I'll show you that. So here are the different measurements. So if you want to measure AC voltage, you should move the rotary here, and for DC current, these are the ranges up to 10 amps. And this one is actually the continuity check. I will demonstrate it later. So these are the volt resistance ranges, and these are the DC voltage ranges. So you can measure up to 600 DC volt from 200 millivolt. So that's pretty good. And the resistance range is also up to 2 mega ohm. And this one right here is for transistor purposes. So let me show you the points here. So this one is the common port where you have to connect this black probe. So always connect the black probe here and the red probe to this one or this one, depending upon what you want to measure. Suppose you want to measure voltage or resistance, so then you should plug it right here. And if you want to measure DC current, then you should plug it right here, as it is written 10 amps. So only change this one. So the common port, the black probe, will always be in the common port. So now let's make some measurement. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure the AC voltage, and I'm gonna measure my household voltage, so that will be little above 200 I guess. So I have put this rotary into the 600. So keep one thing in mind, if you are measuring AC voltage, always keep this rotary into the AC one, otherwise it might damage the instrument. So let me take my extension cord. So where is the extension cord, and let me plug on the switch. So as you can see, the LED is blinking here, so it means the switch is on. And let me fix it like this, so that you see the measurement, and by pressing this you can see this light. And let me check. So here the two ports, phase and neutral, so I'm just putting right here. So as you can see, no reading is showing because this pin is not getting the connection. So I've just opened this too, and now let's check once again. So as you can see, the voltage is showing 249 volts. So that is my household volt. So AC voltage measurement is done. Now let's measure some other things. So suppose I want to measure resistance. So I've set the resistance value to 2K, and now let me take some resistance. So for measuring resistance, let me just keep it like this, and the other end like this. So the reading is coming approximately to be 1.99 I guess. For convenience, just use this after opening this also. That way you can get proper connection. So put it like this. For more convenience, there's a way to connect this, and let me just connect it like this. As you can see, the resistance is showing 1. So what this means, this doesn't mean it is of 1K. Actually the range here is exceeded, so the resistance value is more than 2K, that's why it isn't showing. So let me just switch it to 20K. So now you can see the value is showing 2.19. So whenever the value is showing perfectly 1, don't think that the value is 1, because the range is not big enough to show the value. So previously the range was set here at 2K, so that's why it is showing 1, but when I switched it to 20K, it is showing 2.19 because it cannot show beyond 2K, that's why it was showing 1. So now the value is showing 2.19, which means this is of 2.2 kilo ohm. Now you can check. Yeah, now it is focused. You can check from the color coding also. The value is 2.2K, red. So resistance is done. I'm not going to show you how to measure DC voltage though. What I'm going to show you right now is the continuity check. So let me just take the multimeter here and focus it for you, and here move the rotary to here. This one is for continuity check. What it basically does is, if you place two ends of these two probes in any 2 points, if those 2 points are electrically connected, it will buzz. The buzzer will be sounding. So let me just check. I have taken a wire. You can see the buzzing sound. It means this wire is good and both the ends are electrically connected. This is really helpful if you are troubleshooting an instrument, if you are checking, rechecking and verifying connections, where is the fault. So if there is any fault in the circuit, this continuity tool is really useful. So guys, I guess those are all the basic functions. So once again, if you want to buy this multimeter, please go to our affiliate link that is in the description below. So guys, it was the review and full demonstration of this Mastech MAS830L digital multimeter. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about this multimeter, and let me also know which multimeter you are currently using. So if you find this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you want to buy this multimeter, please go through the affiliate link in the description below because it will help us grow. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing because your subscription really matters and it encourages us to put up more videos like this. So guys, that's all from this side. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.